Hi, this is Vivek Velloor Vadathal. Welcome to the fourth session of Creating Commerce Professional with Skill Development for Employability 2020. In this session, I'm introducing a college that plays a support role to the future of commerce professionals. Have a look. That is Jay Bharat's College of Advanced Studies, one of the leading educational institutions in Ernakulam district, Kerala, in the last 10 years. Let me tell you what makes the Jay Bharat College of Advanced Studies different from the rest. It is the features of this college makes it different. That is as follows. Number one, the courses they are providing, the quality and the technology of their teaching, faculties, and finally, standout features like education loan and on-the-job training. The main benefit of students is that they can do the regular degree or a post-graduation degree along with the 7 professional certifications. That serve as great opportunity for the students. For example, they can do regular BCom along with CMA, CA, CS, any one of these professional courses plus CAT plus IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting Standard, plus CFP, Diploma in ERP plus IELTS. I already explained all these courses individually, previous sections. If you are not watching that session, you can watch that sessions, then only you will be get a somewhat an idea about all these courses. And that's the opportunity for the student. Suppose if you are doing a PG, you can do the same. And in Diploma ERP, you can do SAP Global Certifications courses. That's the great benefit for the entry-level students. I already explained you that about the SAP certification. There are the two types of certifications is SAP. One of SAP Global Certifications and another one is SAP Power User Certificate. I already explained you about all these certifications courses. And this is the great opportunity. Repeat again that the great benefit for the entry level students. And other important aspects is you can do regular MBA along with these certification courses. That's the big thing for our students. I know that in present many of them went to different states in India for doing an MBA, and they are spending a lot of money for their education. Many of them couldn't get a better job, maybe lack of knowledge or a communications. Okay, so but in these colleges you can do regular MBA along with your professional certification. That means after 2 years you will be get a certifications, MBA certifications along with this professional certification. Definitely that will give you an advantages, that will good benefit for you in the future. For your you can rise your employability skills. These certifications will help you to be getting a employment opportunity in India and abroad also. Suppose the scholars is doing a BCom or BBA, you can do this to MG or IGNOU. You have an opportunity to either you can do this MG University or IGNOU University. I know that many of them having more about this university. I will tell you simply, MG is the state university and IGNOU University is the central university. Fine. I know that in this context, many of them having different doubts related to this. Maybe how I do all these courses within 3 years, like about the difficulties. The answer is simple. You can go through the website. Our BCom courses is categorized into 3 types. Number one is a common course. Number two is complementary or elective and core courses. Common courses is Hindi, Malayalam, and English, like first languages and second languages. Common courses and the complementary courses is banking and QT, like that. And the core courses is law, tax, income tax, and GST accounts. So if you are doing CMA or CHCS, these core courses you are studying in this syllabus. Then how you feel the difficulty? So then what the difficulty you are facing here, I don't know that. So concentrate about if you're concentrating BCom, if you're concentrating apart from BCom, if you're concentrating in CMA, CACS, that knowledge is enough to crack the BCom. So I promise you that. You just Google it. You just go through that syllabus, you will be getting all the information. And the second question is, sir, can I do these courses after the graduation? Many of them told me that it is very difficult to do so. Fine. The answer is the syllabus almost the same. You have a 3 years time to do this, and you will get this opportunity in your colleges. No need to be go anywhere. Suppose if you are doing an MBA or if you are doing a BCom from here, if you need to CMA, you can go another institute. If you need to be this SAP, you can visit another university. No need to be go anywhere. You will be getting all these courses for doing all these courses. You will be getting opportunities under a single roof. You will be getting all these facilities. So then why you worry? And it's not a difficulty. If you study well, definitely you can practice. Right. And this is my questions to you. Simply think about it. Do you need a job in the age of 21 or 26? Fine. Think about it. Fine. I will show you the campus and will tell you some standout features of the campus. Have a look. And this is the entry level of campuses. So this is the Jai Bharat College of Jai Bharat Education Group, Jai Bharat College of Advanced Studies. This is the entry view. If you are entering to this campuses, so this is the view. And this is the verandas and all about the campus. And have a look at this is the sky view of the Jai Bharat College of Advanced Studies. And if you need, you can study more about these colleges. I know that many of them is worried about the look at the campus and the building and the structures and some greeneries. Many of them, sir, I need the campus full of greenery, full of gardens, and you can also you will get all facilities to this greenery. If you need a greenery, you will get a greeneries also. That's just one. Fine. Next, the standard features. Have a look about the standard features. Standard features about the campus's hostel facilities, a cooperative store, ragging committee, cafeteria, bank, and infrastructure, and ATM facilities also inside the campuses. And about the faculty, I already told you that qualified faculty will be trained you. The best faculties, they will train you. They are expert in their field, right? They know that they are expert and they are experienced in that particular field. Definitely, they can help you for your future. If you are doing a CMA, definitely CMA qualified person will train you that in the best way, and they will give you an advice and follow them, and definitely they will take care of you. Don't worry about that. That is a faculty about these campuses and library and the cultural activities and the bus facilities and the sports, e-cell and a training and placement cell also. You will get a training, how to attend an interview, how to behave. That's why the IELTS, they will include it on their syllabuses. IELTS training, that's, I already told you, communication languages is very important for your job. So that's why you will be getting all the training. And finally, look that, and the very important aspects is, if you face any financial crisis for your studies, you will get 100% education loan. I repeat again, very important aspect is, if you face any financial crisis for your studies, you will get 100% education loan from ICICI Bank. That means no need to be go anywhere, no need to approach any bank for a loan. Inside the campus, there is a department, they will take care of it. That is very important, right? And also, if you need more details about the college, please visit the website www.jbharatcas.com. I will repeat again the website www.jbharatcas.com. And also, I will give you one more. If you visit the website, you will be getting a number also, right? And also, I'll give you another number also. One Mr. Thomas, he is the academic right coordinator and like admission coordinator. You will be getting all the information from here for the lockdown. Because of the lockdown, I will give you this number also. And if you need, actually, I all this information from through the website, and You can. I already contact him. Right. Definitely, if you need more clarifications about that mission and the features, you can ask him also, or you can, if you need any confusions related to this, you please put a query into the chat box. Definitely, I will give you the reply. And also this is all about the campus. I will repeat again, if you need any, if before you're joining to this campuses, definitely go through the website and to contact these persons and inquire about them, inquire again and again and again. And before you're doing that, which courses is more benefit you, choose that courses and join it. This is the great opportunity. I think so. This is Jaibaru College is a great opportunity for Jaibaru College is providing great opportunity to the upcoming students. So that's an advantage. So next sessions, I will give you that. I will give you an idea about that. What is ACCA, CA, and CPA, and AICPA. That means American Institute of Certified Public Accounts. Next time, I will give you another idea. And that's all about the session. And thank you so much watching with us. And have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.